Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on XRP. Didn't do an update yesterday for obvious reasons, I think, because there just barely was any movement. But I know a lot of you are still interested in these daily updates, so in this video we will focus again on Ripple and XRP. I'll tell you what I expect. Obviously right now the weekend has just started, which is usually a period of time where you barely see any volume and barely any momentum. Right now you can also see that the volume has dropped down to 533 million, which is lower than the lowest point it was at for XRP then, specifically last weekend. So that means certain things, which we'll talk about in this video, but apart from that, we'll just do a full analysis, right? So I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. And that's what we'll do. Yeah, so before we dive into that though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals like this one, but you also gain access to an amazing chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my own trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get right into XRP. So like I said, I mean, the volume dropping, what I think is significant about that is not only that it has already dropped down to monthly lows, I think, perhaps not, no, not monthly lows, but it's quite low. And it's probably in the next 24 hours going to drop down even lower, all right? So down towards the 400 million levels. And that's quite low. And what that means is that momentum is lost, all right? It can still go both ways from here, to be honest. And we'll talk about that regarding the technicals as well. Because if the volume drops down, it's easier to get volatility because you can make the price move with less money. But overall, usually what you see when volume drops down is that momentum is lost. And usually that's bearish. All right, and if we then take a look at XRP, and most of you already know my opinion on XRP, I like it. I think it can actually rally, but not without any news, and definitely not with a bearish Bitcoin at this point of time. So overall, like you can also see, I mean, the market structure has just been quite bearish. You could argue that it has been stable over the last three weeks or so, 2 weeks. Which is true. Like right now, you can also, the situation really is that it's just between 49 cents right now, and ultimately 51 cents, even though it's respecting the 50 EMA a little bit more right now, which is also bearish confirmation. So this is just the situation. And like I said, it can still go both ways. But the thing is that it doesn't depend on XRP. Like, sure, if Ripple gets some more news about the SEC, like if they do appeal, if they don't appeal, just whole developments in the tail of the case, sure, then it will move. But we cannot predict that, right? If something like that happens, I'll be the first to tell you about it. But for now, we only have the technicals and what has happened. So sure, it's a possibility that XRP breaks above 51 cents right now and gets up towards 52.5 and 53 cents, and we've always talked about that. But the only way this is possible is if Bitcoin gets some sort of a bullish breakout. And that doesn't look like the most likely scenario right now, and also doesn't look like it's going to happen this weekend. So overall, it's waiting for some sort of a, like right now, like I said, overall it's bearish if you zoom out, but on the short term it's consolidating / neutral. And it's waiting for some sort of confirmation. Now, given the momentum that's lost, given the general market structure and or market structure and direction, I think it's more likely that 49 cents will break and that it will drop down to our buy area at around 47 or 46 cents. I think that's most likely, but like I said, it's still waiting for confirmation. I would even say that breaking below 49.5 cents is also okay, but I'll keep you updated on that. Like I said, we'll probably not see much movement in the next 24 hours, but I do expect a lot of movement next week. We have some big economic events as well, so that's going to be interesting. So I'll see you, I'll talk to you again very, very soon. But for now, this is my take on XRP. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.